Ahoy there, unveiling a sailor's greeting. Welcome aboard, language adventurers. Today, we're sailing through the waves of the English language to uncover the meaning behind the hearty phrase, ahoy there. Traditionally bellowed across the seas, this expression has stories to tell and secrets to share. So, let's set sail and explore its origins, use, and how it's anchored in modern communication. Get ready to add a splash of maritime charm to your vocabulary. Ahoy is an exclamation used to greet someone, attract attention, or hail a ship or boat. It's often paired with there to form ahoy there, a friendly and traditional salutation with its roots deep in maritime history. When you hear ahoy there, picture a sailor calling out to another vessel or to a person on the shore, waving as they approach from the vast blue. The term ahoy hails from the high seas of the past, where communication options were limited. Loud verbal calls were essential for ships to communicate over water, especially before the invention of the radio. Ahoy comes from the Dutch HOI, meaning hello, which English-speaking sailors adopted due to the extensive Dutch navigation and exploration of the seas. In our current times, ahoy there isn't just for sailors anymore. It's a fun and quirky way to say hello, whether you're on land or at sea. It's also seen in popular culture, such as in pirate-themed books or movies, which popularized the pirate catchphrase, ahoy, matey. You may not use it in everyday conversation, but it's sure to grab attention and evoke a sense of adventure and camaraderie when you do. You can use ahoy there to greet friends in a humorous or light-hearted manner, to start a speech or presentation with a bang, or to engage with an audience in an entertaining way. It's a phrase that crosses borders and may bring a smile to people's faces due to its distinctive style and cheerful tone. And that's the end of our voyage today, folks. We hope you enjoyed learning about ahoy there as much as a pirate enjoys finding treasure. Remember, language is an ocean of expressions, and ahoy there is just one of the many gems you can discover and use. Until our next linguistic journey, may your conversations be a treasure trove of interesting phrases. Fair winds and following seas to you all.